I'm finishing up my essential oil series on reviewing the new Aroma True essential oils with two of my favorites, frankincense and rhododendron. And I'm going to be trying these in real time. I have not met these specific essential oils yet from Aroma True, so I'm really excited to give you my impressions and also ideas about how you might use these essential oils. Rhododendron has become one of my favorite essential oils in the last year, and it's because it has this incredible ability to take our thoughts, like when our thoughts are going a million different directions, and smooth out the flow of the brain's movement and get those thoughts going into a linear fashion again. So if you're in the middle of your workday or you are in some way mentally overwhelmed by something, this is an amazing essential oil to grab and to use in your diffuser. I diffuse it in my workspace very commonly, especially when my brain's feeling overworked. Also, because of its particular action on the brain, there's a lot of thought out there that rhododendron can be helpful for people who have ADHD sort of conditions. And this is something that is going to be very individual to the person. So I get questions all the time about ADHD and people that are neuroatypical. And the thing is that you're not just going to find one essential oil that is the perfect fit for every person, because every single person, the way that their ADHD is manifesting is going to be different. So this is where working with a professional like myself or another aromatherapist can be really helpful, because we can look at you individually and help you figure out what's going to help to balance things out for you and get things working for you. Okay, finishing with one of my very favorite essential oils of all time, frankincense. This is the Boswellia carteri. This is the one that most people are most familiar with. There's just something about this essential oil when I smell it that my whole body just gets grounded. You can just feel the action of this essential oil moving into your lungs and then way down into your body, and you can just feel your energy start to get more grounded and centered, which is probably why frankincense has been used for spiritual practice for so long in human history. It's really great for meditation. It's really great to uplift your thoughts and your spiritual state. It's really great to calm the mind and help to enhance your meditation practice, your prayer practice, your spiritual practice, whatever that is. I like to use frankincense also during my workday, and honestly, I will often combine frankincense with rhododendron in my diffuser, and maybe I'll toss in a little citrus just to help boost my mood. And that really helps me get through like long afternoons of working on projects. And again, if you put these in your diffuser, you can easily create custom blends even from the app. These are all on sale for the spring sale along with the diffuser. You can find the info here.